Welcome back, everyone. I thought I'd do just a little short video for the upcoming video on the bed table we're building. Got the legs all sanded up. I didn't get it all completely off. I don't think it's going to matter. I've got them all sanded down good and smooth, and we're about to apply some stain to these that I believe is going to look really well with the black walnut. And we're going to be using mid-wax wood finishes, and we're going to be putting some espresso stain on it. It's a number 273 espresso. And while I'm getting this ready, I'd like to thank everybody who has been watching the videos, who have subscribed to the channel. Man, I'm just truly blessed. I sure appreciate each and every one of you who have subscribed and left comments. That just means so much. And hit that notification bell so you can see the videos as soon as they come out. All right, let's get a little bit of this stain on a cloth here that I'm using. And let's get it started putting on here and just see how it's gonna look. I think that's gonna look real good with black walnut. What do you think? Just look how beautiful and rich that looks. Just look. That is going to look real nice on this bed table. Let's get a little bit more. This is really looking nice. Like I said, I didn't sand it all completely perfect because I knew this stain was going to be dark and it wouldn't affect the look that I was looking for. But I did sand it down. I went from 80 to 120 and then some 180. Look at how nice it looks. Got all the dowel pin holes drilled. It's all ready to get stained up and get put together. This espresso stain looks so good. It's so close to what black walnut looks like. I've got some dark walnut, but I tell you, I've used this espresso several times, and man, it just looks so nice. Just look at that. Look how it brings the grain out, similar to what walnut is. Very beautiful. It's going to be a very beautiful table. But we have the complete build of this table coming up, and the preparation for the black walnut that's going to go on the top of it. I've got a pretty good size slab over here we're going to use. I think we're going to I don't know if it's quite wide enough, but I think we may cut it down the middle and then join it together. I don't know if I'm going to use any epoxy on it or not, but we'll just have to wait and see when I get it out and check it. But again, thanks to each and every one of you who tunes in. Like I say, I'm so blessed to have people subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it very much so. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see the videos as soon as they come out, so you can stay up to date on what's happening here at Crossroads Woodworks. And with that, we'll see you on the next one. Let's make some sawdust.